Ethiopia who came up of himself. And of the lines of Solomon dynasty, traceable just the same. One that brings a constitution to Ethiopia and gives them freedom and equality.
Well, that's interesting, and that also shows the Moorish connection as well. When we speak about the Greek line genealogy of Jesus, it says he was born in Bethlehem of Judah, in the house of David.
And King Spragga is Israel and Judah.
So you see we have a symbolic relationship not only within the culture, but also within biblical texts and within the history of what we study as well.
In this time, as the prophet Marcus had prophesied, the king, how can it be coincidence that the king that was not yet crowned, that John Marcus prophesied of, coincidentally becomes the emperor of the only unconquered nation on the land continent of Africa that the white world didn't come in and conquer and colonize. That is the only one that came. That's not coincidence. Only unconquered nation, and the only one that they had to come from all corners of the globe to come and pay homage to. As a black underrated kingdom that you know based in Africa as a continent that you raised. Why is it so important for all you to come and pay homage with all these titles that you speak of in your